I ventured back into the Goodwill this afternoon and found a Holmes box fan, a 2-speed, I think it's supposed to be 10-inch box fan. The model number is HABF-110 electric fan. Made in China, serviced in USA. Do not use in window. It has that 09/2M date code on it. I have a few fans like that. I forget what the 2M means, but I believe the fan is from around 2000 to 2002, somewhere in there. I like the look of the fan. I like the design. I think it looks pretty cool for what it is. I've already cleaned and serviced the fan. Turned out pretty good. I had to put some new feet on it, some thicker feet, because the fan does have quite a bit of vibration to it. It's pretty loud, and unfortunately it just doesn't move any air. It's high. I mean, it's really disappointing. I mean, it's barely moving anything. I for sure have 6-inch desk fans that move way more air than this thing does. At first I thought it was because the grill was just all full of like spider webs and stuff. I thought that's what was restricting it. But no, even clean, it still doesn't really move any air. And it's loud, and it vibrates. Here's low. I don't even think it would really make a good window fan, which is really disappointing. I might experiment with this and maybe clip some of these rungs out of here. Seems like that would help. So I really do like the look of the fan. It kind of reminds me of, I mean, it just has that kind of general shape of like some old industrial exhaust fans, industrial window fans. It's kind of inspired by something that looks like it should move a lot of air, but it does the opposite. I think it's actually called, I've seen the box for this before, I think it's called like European or Euro style or something like that. There's somebody who had one of these for sale locally a few months back, and we just couldn't get our schedules to line up for me to go buy the thing, and then before I knew it, the fan was sold. So I'm glad I found this one, and it cleaned up like new. Unfortunately, it's just not a good fan. Not at all. It's not a good. Another dud Holmes fan that still kind of looks pretty cool. I still like it. I think it has potential. Like I said, I think if maybe I just cut a few of these rungs out of there all the way around, the front and the back, I think that it would probably improve it a lot. I don't know. maybe we'll try that eventually. Thanks for watching.